As a manager, you'll see 4 main pages: notifications, port calls, services, and tasks. On the port calls page, you can view all ship calls for today. For example, there are 5 vessels in Vuosaari port. Here, you see whether a ship is already in port or still arriving, along with its arrival and departure times. Each port call also shows which services have been ordered. For example, Finmill has none, Skalar has unmooring, and Finstar has ramp, bridge, and traffic control. By selecting Show All, you can explore additional services for each vessel, such as grey water or sludge disposal. You can also navigate directly to a service from here, for instance, by clicking on Unmooring. On the Services page, you'll find all upcoming services for today listed in time order. From here, you can assign the right person to each service and mark it as ready to start. Once assigned, the service appears with its status, so employees can begin work. At the bottom, you'll notice a fast navigation panel. It always highlights the next upcoming service, making it easier to stay on track. As a manager, you can also start or stop tasks on behalf of employees when necessary. You may update individual tasks, change the overall service status, or adjust the reported work time. For certain services, such as grey water disposal, you can even record the actual amounts handled. Finally, on the Tasks page, you'll see all employee tasks, along with available ones to pick up, arranged in time order. This page also includes the fast navigation panel, now showing the next available task. Each task displays its scheduled time, so you know exactly when it needs to be completed. From here, you can assign tasks, decline them, or start and stop tasks directly.